We are going to review top 5 best rolling saw stands. Let's get started. List number 1. DeWalt Heavy Duty Miter Saw Stand, DWX723. The DeWalt Miter Saw Stand, DWX723, has got you covered. At 35 pounds, it's a lightweight model for easy transportation at the job site. You don't have to struggle with a bulky tool at the job site. Besides, this stand features premium quality materials for durability. The 500 pounds weight capacity is impressive, meaning it can hold most items. You can fold the legs for easy storage and transportation. With non-marring feet, this stand won't harm your wood material. As such, it's a safe option to use in different working environments. It's no wonder the DeWalt Miter Saw Stand, DWX723, ranks among the best. List number 2. DeWalt Table Saw Stand, Mobile/Rolling, DWE74911. Who doesn't know about DeWalt? This portable miter saw stand features a sturdy steel build for durability. It can hold weights up to 300 pounds. The stand comes with 2 big wheels for easy transportation. The wheels enhance maneuverability, making it easy to move the stand around the workplace. Other than that, you can adjust the height to 3 levels to suit your specific needs. With this stand, you'll have an easy time loading/unloading into/out of the vehicle. You also get a 1-year warranty, meaning you're covered against defects. The model guarantees excellent performance. Overall. List number 3. Makita WSD06 Compact Folding Miter Saw Stand. Makita doesn't need any introduction. The Makita WSD06 Compact Folding Miter Saw Stand is another excellent tool, coming with all the useful features you'd like. First, it's a lightweight unit, thanks to the tubular aluminum construction. It weighs 33.7 pounds, making it easy to transport. Besides, the aluminum can resist wear and tear, so this portable miter saw will serve you for a long period. The stand can comfortably hold heavy loads up to 500 pounds, meaning it will handle most items. Installation is simple and straightforward. There's more, the stand features solid rubber wheels that enhance the maneuverability at the job site. List number 4. DeWalt Table Saw Stand, DW7440RS. DeWalt is here again with another exceptionally built and lightweight miter saw stand. The model features sturdy aluminum construction, making it perfect for long-term use. It also weighs 33 pounds, so you move it around the workplace. The wide base increases stability when using this stand. The stand can comfortably hold heavy loads up to 500 pounds. The model also comes with a durable kickstand that ensures greater balance. The foldable legs, coupled with the large, robust wheels, make it easy to push this stand at the job site. With the included bracket attachments, it's easy to remove and attach miter saws to this stand. What's more, you'll enjoy a 1-year warranty. Summing it up. List number 5. Powertek Mt4000 Deluxe Portable Miter Saw Stand. Moving miter saws around isn't an easy task, and that's where this stand comes in handy. The Powertek Mt4000 Deluxe Portable Miter Saw Stand is a well-built product that simplifies your job. To start with, it features durable round steel tubing for durability. The model has universal mounting brackets, meaning it will hold most miter saws. It also comes with 8-inch rubber wheels for easy transportation. The adjustable leveling feet ensure stability when using this stand. Setting up and breaking down the stand is a simple process using spring-loaded locking legs. The 110 volts electric plug further enhances its functionality, making it easy to rearrange the cable board.